Launch TerreSculptor, choose Settings on the Tools menu, click on the Mesh tab, and set the properties for the specific 3D modeling software that you are developing for. For most modeling software, the export vertex spacing will be 1, center XY will be enabled, the X and Y origin offsets will be 0, the Z offset will be range center, and the Z scale will be 100%. Additional export settings for specific modeling software include Autodesk 3ds Max uses all default values for OBJ and STL formats. Blender uses swap Y and Z axis for OBJ format and the default values for STL format.